Good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday, August 3rd, I wanted to come in and let you know that August 6th is my birthday. And I'm looking forward to my birthday, and this is my look for today. I have 2 more days that I will be working. No, I have 1 more day that I'll be working because I will not be working on the 4th. And I didn't really just plan that, but that's my brother's birthday. And I want to say happy birthday to my brother Stan early. I want to say happy birthday. Happy number 65. I am so happy, so glad, so blessed that God has provided us the opportunity to spend more time together on this earth to make a difference in the lives of others. And I am so grateful, so grateful. On Saturday, August 6th, I'll be celebrating my 63rd birthday. It's good. God is good. And so today, this is my look. All I did was tie my scarf around my head and made sure my hair was hanging. And I just wanted to come in and let you see it. This is a really quick video. This is what it looks like. It feels good. It looks good. Didn't do much to it today. I'm going in. I have these 2 heads that I have to work on today. One of them I have to travel to, and I am grateful that I can do that for my client. I'm going to do my 360, and before I do that, I want to say thank you, subscribers, for the love that you've shown me over this year and throughout the years, especially since I did my first Sisterlock video. Thank you. Thank you, and thank you, and thank you to God for blessing me with people like you who will encourage me, uplift me, pray for me, and for my family. My 360. I'm on my way. Have a great day.